How to restore the lost or deleted notes in iOS 18. So let's start the video. First of all, open Notes, and then here you can see the option recently deleted. Simply click on it, and if you want to recover this folder, then simply press and hold on it and move to another folder you want to select, and simply it will be recovered. So you can see here no recently deleted icon here. So if you want to recover these recently deleted, then click on edit and select all these, and simply click on move and select a folder where you want to restore these lost notes. So this way to restore the lost or deleted notes in iOS 18. Thanks for watching this video.